Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
This is our 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L, and it's cool that we're hauling a trailer because when we bought it, there was no hitch receiver. But Snailfly has one that we put in ourselves, and I am thoroughly impressed with it. So as you see here, it fits just like the one the manufacturer would have, which fits behind the bumper. So when you're not using it, it is hidden, which I think is really cool. So installation on this, I followed a couple videos online tutorials and they made it really easy. So Snailfly has made installing this a piece of cake. They've made it match up exactly where the old piece goes, and there are 6 bolts you tighten. So that is super easy. The difficult part, as you see, is we have to remove all the back fascia. So Jeep has you remove all the back fascia to be able to get to this piece. So that's where the tutorial really helped out. But installing this, anyone could do it. They even have these really nice wires that you attach the screws to, and then you can just pull it through the hole. And so even in those awkward spaces, it's really easy to get the bolts in the correct place. Installation, I was really impressed with how easy they've made it. But it has been so nice having our own hitch. We hauled a trailer the other day. It worked really nice. There's the safety loops to add the security chains on the trailer. I was really impressed with the quality of this. It was even heavier than the one that came with the Jeep. If you're wanting to add a hitch to your Jeep Grand Cherokee L, I highly recommend this one.
And that's my point of view.